Imagine having a health problem, but feeling too afraid, embarrassed, or uncomfortable to talk about it. You may discuss your blood pressure, diabetes, or physical pain with others. But when it comes to anxiety, depression, panic attacks, or emotional struggles, many people remain silent. They say, "What will people think? Maybe they will judge me. Maybe I should just handle it myself." But the truth is, mental health is as important as physical health. And today, technology is offering a new way to take the first step through mental health apps. Across the world, millions of people experience stress, anxiety, depression, and emotional difficulties. But many do not seek help because of stigma. They fear being misunderstood, being labeled, or being considered weak. This silence can make problems worse. Mental health apps cannot replace doctors or psychologists, but they can provide something very important: a private space to learn, reflect, and begin a conversation with yourself. These apps are designed to help people understand their emotions, track mood changes, practice relaxation techniques, learn coping strategies, and recognize when professional help may be needed. Think of them as a first step, like checking your symptoms before visiting a doctor. They encourage people to say, "Maybe I need to pay attention to my mental health." And that realization itself can be powerful. Wysa is an AI-based mental health support app. It allows users to express their thoughts through conversations. With an AI chatbot, it provides exercises based on approaches such as cognitive behavioral therapy, helping people manage stress, anxiety, and negative thinking patterns. MindDoc focuses on emotional tracking. Through short daily check-ins, it helps users observe mood changes, feelings, stress levels, and emotional patterns over time. Sometimes understanding what we are experiencing is the first step toward improvement. Calm and Headspace focus mainly on mindfulness meditation, breathing exercises, and better sleep. They can help people slow down racing thoughts and develop relaxation habits. Platforms like BetterHelp connect users with licensed counselors online. For people who feel uncomfortable visiting a clinic, initially online counseling can feel like an easier first step. A quick note: availability and pricing for apps like BetterHelp can vary depending on which country you are in, so it is worth checking what is accessible where you live. Here, we need to be careful. Mental health apps are not doctors. Some apps can screen for symptoms and flag patterns worth paying attention to, but screening is not the same as a diagnosis. A professional evaluation is important when symptoms are severe, continue for a long time, or affect daily life. What these apps can do is help people recognize something is changing inside me, and I should seek support. The future of mental health may combine technology, artificial intelligence, professional counseling, and greater public awareness. The biggest challenge is not only treatment. The biggest challenge is encouraging people to speak. Because asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of awareness and courage. If you or someone you know is struggling with stress, anxiety, or emotional difficulties, remember you do not have to suffer silently. A conversation, a small step, or even a mental health app can be the beginning of a better journey. Take care of your mind, because a healthy mind builds a healthier life. We talk about topics like this often, so subscribe to stay connected and share this with anyone who might be feeling the same way. Sometimes a small message can make a big difference. You are not alone.